Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another very special episode. I'm Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and everything sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day, people?
Yes. And of course, you know the international window just closed, but a lot of things are going on Jamaican football. I will just still have to talk about a few more things. There are a few unanswered questions.
Yeah.
There are a few unanswered questions.
And we're going to have a video try answer every last one of them.
Because why not? I don't know what you answer.
So just stay tuned.
The first one we're going to attempt to answer is, does Jamaica need Leon Bailey? Does the Jamaican national team need Leon Bailey?
But before, we look to answer this question, considering the fact that we are academics, we need to define the term need, right?
Yes, sir.
Because
I don't think we need I think everybody know what need mean. So I guess we can get the absolute need out of the way.
Yeah.
In terms of can't do without, that out of the way. It's just a matter of how much better will Leon Bailey make us, and without him, does the team look different, or how much different does the team look? I think that's how we are going with it.
And first,
obviously, tight on the thumbnail, I'm not going to come cuss because I need that in them. I promise you. But go on.
No, but the thumbnail good listen, or the title good listen, Jamaica needs.
Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Someone know them are cuss right
people,
now.
this is recorded before the video is titled. You get me? I say, and people, before in the comment, me take it back. Comment it. Comment the foolish. Damn, me tired for reading the comments.
Me love it.
And see them and say, you people are this. Jamaica, this, that. Did you watch the video, sir?
Comment. Love it.
What you say? Comment from the city. Yeah.
YouTube no know bad from good comment. But promise that YouTube no know. Come. Where you say now, boss?
So yeah, so the Nations League, right? We played in that competition, and for the first time we managed to play without Leon Bailey. Like the first time.
Well, boss. Which way you want to have that conversation? You want to go on the beach real quick? Me have on the beach and we'll have a conversation.
So somebody just tell me, say, we need to fall back with the background.
Them not worry about that.
Somebody literally just tell me, say,
them not worry about that.
We need to nice up at the place same time, because we can't just have the boring set same way. You get me? I say, well, you shouldn't do it midstream, though.
You not worry about that. I'm show you so we can flip on, flip off.
No, man, because right now, them are going to know us as studio with them. They're not going to really believe say the beach, because them just see.
Yeah, me
but if you start the video with it, then
so hold on.
Them two you I remember, that's somewhere far away. I feel like Australia for your daytime right now.
Hold on, man.
Yeah, I say my boss.
You ever see a green screen and no?
Bro, you hear about 4 things different, bro.
You say you want to believe so for the beat same way.
Believe me, bro.
Hey, a nigga me just gonna come back, people. Me not ask you. A nigga, you know what? You don't know what time. A nigga me just gonna come back here.
That was a cut, sir. Cut to the.
Yeah, bro. But me do it so fast that it just seem like nothing happen.
Good
me I tell you, right now me can't go anywhere.
Good editing.
Right now, me I tell you.
Good editing.
Anyways.
But yeah, the Nations League pass, and at the first time I really get to see myself without Leon Bailey. You get me? I said the first time like obviously he's been injured before or whatever, but he's been a part of the team. It's the first time when the coach, just a coach, without Leon Bailey in mind. And that's the question I want to ask about it. Is this the most impressive international window that you've seen from the national team in a long time?
Yeah, definitely.
Or since when?
This is the most impressive international window I have seen from Jamaica since 2000 and like maybe 17. 17 was Gold Cup final, right? Maybe 17, and that wasn't even a window. That was a summer competition. Right. But since then, this is the most impressed I've been with Jamaica with this national team. No cap, and I can't go further. The last 2 windows is the best window.
We never like how we do a stadium.
No, not
weren't
even that, but
super impressive,
building
I'd say,
building off the final Canada game.
yeah.
Me can say from that Canada game come back, or bounce back from the madness out in the National Stadium, and that game there is almost a write-off based on how the two teams them they just look crazy because of the sun, and none of them man never ready for playing like that. But hey, we bounce back in Canada, we look so good in Canada in terms of our reaction. And don't get me wrong, we never roll over either, and Canada never had a backside.
Yeah.
We were in the game. Obviously, what we needed to do to win the game was seemed to be a lot more than we had, and then we come out and we bounce back. This window though. A long time I know what Jamaican feel so good. A long time I know come away from an international break being so optimistic. Can't wait for the next international break. Normally I can't wait because I'm a Jamaican father, I want to see my boys play. But now I honestly want to see what's next. I want to see the next either challenge where I come. And not to disrespect any other teams. I want to see the Dam Rep or who we have. I think a Dam Rep and Dominica.
Yeah.
I want to see what we're going to do with that.
Dominica Stadium and then we go to Dam Rep.
That's what I talk about.
So the boy them go Dam Rep to focus on the football, bro.
You know, worry about that.
Just
go win the game, young boss. Let's go win the game, young boss.
Because remember say a Dam Rep you go forget the BBL same way, you know. Dam Rep forget the BBL.
I promise you, I don't want none of them man in the frightened for that. But promise you, anything with the Dominica Republic, with them. I promise you.
Them good.
Anyways.
Them good.
Yeah. It's the most impressive I've been.
Them a jump on a plane to Hispaniola and them a go play a Dam Rep. I'm curious to see how we build our fight.
Exactly.
But also those two games aren't going to be any. Although is this the time we'll come out and see it now Gold Cup?
Bro, it's domination time.
5 and 16 in a
it's
Gold
domination
Cup.
time, but it's also.
Can we then give them team at 8 now? Building off of what we have, can you just put together a stretch of football where we get Dominica? Because Dominica, not so much Dam Rep we can say 5 or 6. Mm-hmm. But can we give Dominica 8 or 9?
We can. Of course we can. Will we? Will Al Grimson try a few things?
You're not trying no World Cup qualifiers.
I not say no, but will we? Just I say, if it was me, I would definitely go for it and just smash teams. But in terms of a coach and what...
Remember says a group stage,
I'm going to try.
Might come in.
What I say try? I didn't even talk about necessarily the players. It's just the system how he want to employ it and when him have the ball, what he want to do. Want to focus on the possession more than just scoring a bag of goals, even though the goals count. You get me? I say, so what will happen? I don't know.
Although it should matter to us still.
It should matter to us.
One Love supposed to get with you in every single game because we're supposed to win every single game.
Exactly.
But
points first. You see me? So that's what my mind is. And looking forward to the games is not necessarily for the scoreline, bro, or for the competition itself. It's just to see what's next.
But more so, we're going to talk about this in the next video, right?
Yep. But to answer your question,
yeah.
Since 2017.
Yeah, exactly. So, considering that we've had such an impressive window, the first one being this impressive since Wappy killed Phillip.
Yeah. A long time back.
We did it without Leon Bailey.
Yeah. Yeah, we did it.
What that mean for the program?
To be fair and to be totally honest, right? It's a little bit unfair. It's a little bit unfair to lead the people in that direction. Obviously, we will never know how the team would have looked if Liam Bailey was there. And I'm of the belief that had Liam Bailey been there, we still would have put in a similar performance. Probably a better performance. Who knows? You get me, I say? But the facts are the facts. Liam Bailey wasn't there when Jamaica played their best football since Liam Bailey have been a part of the program and even long before him. So I'm not going to say what the point I'm making about it being unfair is to say that Liam Bailey was the reason why we're not saying best football, because that is not the case. But a lot of people will probably say, see, we can play our best football without Liam Bailey. So do we have to deal with the quote-unquote diva with them have a problem with? That's it now. You see, but in terms of Liam Bailey not being there, we will play our best football. Had Liam Bailey been there, we still would have played our best football. I believe so.
Bro, is it me? Or are these players emphasizing on the honor and
no, 100%.
love of country?
100%. So a lot of subliminals, for sure. For sure. And
but they wonder for me alone, bro.
Bro, been a tell us the same day the interview dropped. I said, even though the post would have come, I know it would have come. They may I go post, bro. The little subliminal caption, love my country, blah blah, and the same day a couple hours after the interview, bro, and with the rumors coming out of the camp that the players are not pleased. We know that. So obviously we're gonna read a little bit more into all of the posts. But bro, the man, everybody a post. And it's almost to make it known.
Yeah. Like me feel so good. Me feel so good when me see I see Dimmy them, bro, like Jams Low, like them man, it can't be an act. Them seem 11 toes down for the national team.
Yeah.
The man them seem like them serious about them national team.
Yeah.
And
As it should be,
it
by
made
the
me
way.
feel so good, but also it seemed like them are overkill, which is perfect for me. You get me? I say it made me feel more secure in myself, it made me feel more comfortable. But are they doing more? Because this, well, maybe because them win something now. Maybe they have medals, so they have more to post. They have more to post.
Yeah.
Or is it just them making a point? Is it just them standing in solidarity?
I think it's both. I think, obviously, as I said, there is more to post. Players have a medal now.
Yeah.
A lot of these players, this is their first medal. The last time I win something, I probably Caribbean Cup.
Bro,
but they will come second in a.
That's the thing, bro. That's the thing why when you lose to USA,
yeah,
sad, low key. But then also I say, at least the competition now get done pan a L.
Yeah.
Based on our play against USA, bro, never doubt so they can beat Panama. You get me? I say obviously Panama is a good team, but I was confident that we could have put together a performance again similar to that, and it would have been enough to beat Panama.
And subconsciously too, you think about it, we won the third place medal. We never get the third place medal.
As compared to before, when you see Kemar Lawrence them with them head down, just go get them silver. You get me?
You lose a game.
So me I wonder if this
did you win this second place medal?
This feel better, bro.
Yeah,
which was something optimistic I took from losing to USA. Because me I say if we replicate this performance that we did against USA, against Panama, we're going to win the game. And if we win the game, the man them are get to celebrate, them are get to run on, and you get me I say get a medal. Now I wonder if brands in the sense of football better than silver, bro.
No, it's definitely not better than.
Obviously, the money not as much, but
it's not better. It's not better than silver. But
you rather lose the finals and win the third place.
I rather make it to the finals than not make it to the finals. So that perspective may come from.
But
me have to make it to the final for win the second place.
But me ask you if you rather lose the finals or win the third place.
I prefer lose the finals because then would I know some have a chance to win the finals.
But then after 90 minutes, you don't have no more chance winning.
I know, but me I talk about everything will lead up to that. Make it to the finals are sweeter to me.
The question is,
I know what you're saying, but I'm more things to it than that.
Of course, I'd rather make it to the finals than lose the semi-finals.
Exactly.
Rather win the semi-finals than lose the semi-finals.
And the same question.
But no, I'm rather win the third place match than right now, bro.
No.
If I go to the finals, and it guaranteed to make a lose, which is never the case.
Yeah.
Then more and get the third place match and win the third place.
But that is what I say. Me now put in a hypothetical in it. Like I'm just saying, if you make it to the finals,
people answer the question. Would you rather lose the finals or win the third place match? Think deeply before you call me either in the comment section. See, if you want to think deeply and then still call me either in the comment section, that's fine, right? But think deeply before you call me either. Would you rather lose in the finals or win a third place match? Bro, me I think deep on it, bro. And
no, first of all, the question makes sense if you ask me. Because the truth is, you can't separate it.
Yeah.
Making it to the finals and
it's better. That means you win the semi-final.
Yeah.
So you win one more game.
Exactly. You get me? I say I would always choose to win the semi-final than to lose the semi-final. Yeah. So you can't ask me if, would you prefer to win the semi-final and make it to the finals and lose, or lose the semi-final and make...
No, more win the semi-final.
More win every game I play now. Yeah. You get me? I say, so obviously I can't take for the process and just get to the result. In my head. Obviously now you're separate everything and look for the result.
This feel better than the Gold Cup finals last time.
You know what, bro? In a 10 years, you're not going to look back and say, you make it to the finals and lose, you feel bad. You're going to look for your medal and say, great run. And which medal you prefer look for?
No, but them also going to look on these brands and say great run too.
But which medal you prefer look for? Personally, I prefer look for the whitish, the silver one.
Of course, the silver.
Exactly. So, in the grand scheme of things.
But 10 years later, I still gonna feel better about this than me feel about losing to the finals. Guaranteed.
If you feel so,
because me experienced the finals last in 2017. You get me, I say? And this feel better, bro. Like my left camp with a win, bro. My left camp with a win, like the final whistle blow. Me never imagine losing to Mexico 1-0 in the finals. That's gutting, bro.
It is.
You get me, I say? My last game in the camp, bro. It's always good for win the last game in camp, bro. That make me feel good. That give me some sense of optimism. But anyways, to the point where I try and make. are these guys being super deliberate about their exuberant honor to play for them nation? Because they make it known. So they love Jamaica. And the most them ever love Jamaica in them life.
I think it's both.
Jeez.
I think it's both the case of them having more to post and doubling down on the fact that
then there.
We're there. You get me? I said we don't want insecurity. We don't want the fans to wonder if this has happened from nobody else. Plus, bro, we pissed at you. You get me? I said. And now we are sure you say watching the end of the day I will still manage to go and
kick ass.
You see me? So I think about things. I think everything brought up for the fact of the Liam Bailey interview. But at the same time, I think icing on the cake. Yeah.
Bro, man, I tell you, especially the Englishman, them, bro. The man I'm make you know, say, yo, them there, bro, it feels so good.
Yeah.
It feels so good. Like, I don't know if I act them a act or a PR, but it feels so good. From DeMargre, it feels so good. When DeMargre attacked JFF and say, yo, up again, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like, him just can't wait to come back and play for him national team. Bro, I saw people treat the English FA, bro, and the Brazil FA and Argentina FA, where the man them just can't wait to come back, bro. That made me feel so good. Like, them, I look forward to it as much as me, I look forward to it.
Yeah.
And I definitely get a sense of pride and nationalism after that camp, yeah.
Maybe not try to tell this for months in the dog. When the man them care, it feel better, bro.
What, as in, I don't know if them care about playing for Jamaica.
So that's all the thing that me I said I need to know.
If them care about Bob Marley Museum and Trenchtown, I don't care.
Never that me say. I said I want to know that players know what it means to represent Jamaica. I want to feel a pride that they feel proud. And this is essentially what you're saying. Just say at this maybe not saying.
No, bro, I just want to know so
people, if you don't watch this other sports TV, you don't know what go on. Keep it moving. Why is you want to ask me?
I just feel good for know say the man them there. Them committed to the program.
Mm-hmm.
Whether or not them love Jamaica or not, them committed to the program and them feel good to play for Jamaica. Just like how like say Andre Blake. He love the union, bro. Him not, but him committed to the program there. Them trade him tomorrow. I'm sure they might get a sense of commitment to our next program. So you have not to do it national pride. But it make me feel as you get me, I say it make me feel like say. You see me as give you and say lie to me, bro. So I don't know if them really, really mean it.
I don't know if they mean it.
But yeah, so you think say the team chemistry might better without Chippy?
No, bro, I just think this interview was bad timing. A lot of bad things were said, and it pissed off people. If the interview never do, I think, and Liam Bailey was in the team, I think it would be perfectly fine. You get me? I say it's not like nobody that complain about Liam Bailey. It's not like nobody. And the man saying that interview, he's been just sucking it up until them start piss me off. That press conference from that coach, I don't like it, and because I don't like it, I'm going to traumatize out the prom. You get me? I say it's not like Liam Bailey was in the program causing a lot of problems. In fact, Liam Bailey was, a lot of times, the rock to keep everything up. You get me? I say for a lot of the players, he was the person to run to. To a lot of the staff, he was the player to run to. You get me? I say when the man don't want to play, Liam Bailey say go play. You get me? I said, so who knows? It may have been better with Liam Bailey in the team, and that I more decided me I go with. I think it's just honestly an isolated incident with Liam Bailey. The interview pissed them off, and that's where they come from. Not necessarily, bro, a long time we want to get rid of you, we're better without you now. You get me? I say? So, if had Liam Bailey been there in Dallas, I think it would have been the same, if not better. I guess I'm either with it. Because I've seen nothing to say that Liam Bailey did that cause a problem. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And no player now come out and say, oh, Liam Bailey do this. No. You get me? I say, in fact, as I'm saying at the last live I would do, a lot of the problems that Liam Bailey brought up, he was not facing. And people have overlooked that. I just think the delivery did bad. I mean, I'm going to tell a man to change the delivery. If I that you want to say it. But a lot of the problems that Liam Bailey brought up, it's a problem for some of the other players. You get me? I say, man, I come and this happen, or this happen. Obviously, him speak to the things where him can't get to. But I feel like Liam Bailey is a leader, the man. Them look to Liam Bailey, respect Liam Bailey. And that is probably why them even hurt by the interview even more. So had he been there, I think it would have been the same or better. Honestly. Oh, you're still with that?
But on and off the field.
And off the field? Yeah. I think, bro, had Liam Bailey been there, we'd have a better option. I'm gonna still, whenever Liam Bailey are playing now, I'm gonna look for Liam Bailey. If Liam Bailey now play bad, what is it? Is either, is not that him a passenger in the game, The only thing is that Liam Bailey going miss goal or make a bad final action. You get me? I say either he miss the goal or him not make the run when he make, but he's never hurting the team or causing the team to concede a goal or missing his defensive mark or whatever. It's more so individually, him not do what we expect him to do. If that makes sense. You see, on the field, I think it would have been better. I think even having Liam Bailey 50% would have give you a really good chance. Imagine having Liam Bailey up top instead of Jamal Lowe. Imagine having Liam Bailey to play 90 instead of bringing on Corey Burke and Daniel Johnson at left midfield. You get me? I say, so we would have been better on the pitch. Off the pitch, I think it would have been more of the same. Liam Bailey sit down beside the arguments and say, yo, it's a process. Stop rushing the thing. Trust you. We are Bill. You get me? I say? So I've seen no signs, bro, to say that Liam Bailey would have caused some problem and would not have finished third in the Nations League. In fact, I think would have probably have a better chance to beat America. We'd have still finished third. So worst case, we'd have still finished third. How do you feel about it? I like you have something to say.
No, as in, well, no. As I said, the team never yet flex weird with Chippy in the ranks, and Jamaica is definitely not our worst team on the field with Leon Bailey. As I said, we play against Canada. Leon Bailey was a part of that team.
Exactly.
Where we had
the Mexico game,
where we had one of the most electric comebacks that I can remember in CONCACAF. You get me? I say. So Leon Bailey was a part of that. So I don't think it would have made the team any worse. Anybody who's out there saying, "Oh, the team is better without Leon Bailey,"
you don't understand where I'm going, bro. Whenever we get insight into the dressing room,
the team isn't better without Leon Bailey.
No, bro.
And no team in the world is better without Leon Bailey.
No.
Unless Leon Bailey a misbehave.
And him not show signs to be that player there.
And we've never heard any reports of that, and we've heard reports about players. Even during the Tapa time, when you hear about players who did that, who were insolent, Leon Bailey wasn't one of them. You get me? I say we heard about players who refuse to adapt. You get me? I say or move on with the time. Or Leon Bailey and Tapa never in nothing, bro. And we know say them disagree philosophically. We know say Leon Bailey's dad and agent was very vocal in regards to the coaching situation.
Yep.
But we never have no running or no altercation with the other man. He said it himself. We never get with none of the coaches.
And every coach come and say the same thing. You're a good coach. We are trust the coach. We are doing the coach want to do. Bro, as I say, whenever we get inside into the dressing room, I will see a man per live. I will see about Liam Bailey a dance and I go. You get me? I say I keep the vibes right in the dressing room. I've seen nothing, bro. So anybody, obviously this is the running team now. Yo, see we win without him. We don't need him. Ray. It's not a matter of need or not need, because we don't need Liam Bailey. In fact, we don't need any player. The program is bigger. Bro, we don't need Andre Blake. We don't need any player, bro. If it comes down to keeping, if it comes down to do I want the player to be in the team or not? Yes. But will Jamaica survive without Andre Blake? Will we fall off a cliff? No. Even without Andre Blake, we wouldn't fall off a cliff. Would we be as good? No. But fall off a cliff? No. You get me? I say, if Andre Blake all of a sudden now retire from international football like Jamal Wait,
football is such a game of margins. I don't think we'd have fall off a cliff, but right now I think Jamaica might.
But still, would have back up for the World Cup.
Right now, I think Jamaica might be the third, maybe fourth best team in CONCACAF. Without Andre Blake, I think Panama and Costa Rica better than us.
No,
I think so.
No, with Jamal waiting goal.
Yeah.
No.
Just by the one subtraction there alone.
Because when you think about it, the teams that Andre Blake need to be Andre Blake against.
Andre Blake needed to make a world of save against Panama. We just can't say I expect that from Jamal Waiter. That save the way he make. And some saves that Andre Blake make. And football is such a small game of margins. Them 1-1 goal that Andre Blake saved over there is a whole heap of money that
Me not say no. So
Jamal like, Waiter is good enough. That goal they score upon we know against Panama with the save where he make over the with him the other hand over him head. Probably score upon weight. You get me? I say probably not, but definitely more likely to score upon weight than it.
Of course.
the match draw different kind of football. You
Okay.
get me? I say,
Mhm.
and whole heap of other saves with Andre Blake keep in the game.
Me nah
in
say
the Canada
no.
match, the man makes up 2 ridiculous saves. But me just not ask Jamal wait for me.
Me nah
So
say
we wouldn't
no.
even there right now.
Me nah say no.
So that's why I say
The point I'm making is we've seen, first of all, we've seen Jamal Wait in big games and him do well. That's the first thing. Second of all, I'm not saying that. What you mean I never say? You don't see Jamal Wait and Mexican impressed? You don't see that? I'm come on the channel and say we impressed?
Me impressed, but me said that when me see.
Oh, you mean specifically the save of Andre Blake make? No.
Or a few of these saves
Jamal
where
Wait,
Andre Blake make where our goalkeeper just now gonna make.
Jamal Wait never get put in a position there for Jamaica, so we'll never see it. Is he a worse goalkeeper? Yes. Rather, my phrase that different. Is Andre Blake a better goalkeeper? By far. No. Jamal Wait is
like them Gold Cup finals that will go.
Hold on.
Nah, go with Jamal Wait.
The point me I make is you are saying that Panama and Costa Rica are definitively better than Jamaica without Andre Blake, and I'm saying yes, they might be better, but we also might be better. Me not say definitive. So of course you're gonna be worse, but me still back up for the World Cup. Me still back up for win 3rd place in the Nations League without Andre Blake. If Ethan Pinnock not come tomorrow and Michael Hector, Deshaun Bernard and Damian or whatever, I'm still about Jamaica for do what we do.
Andre Blake are the only one who made us.
Me not think we're gonna fall off a cliff. No, if the next best goalkeeper was Amal Knight, or if the next best goalkeeper was somebody out of Jamaica who came back to make a save and then can't do nothing good to that level there, obviously, to the international level, I would need to represent Jamaica. Then would I feel away there. But me not think right now the Jamaican team, they're in a place where I think we can't do without nobody. If them are great, bro, we don't need them are great. Obviously, me I'm speaking the essence of the word. Does he make us considerably better? 100%.
With I was just one person alone. Me disagree with upon everybody else. Where you say me agree 100%. I just one person. One person alone. Me see where history completely different without them. History completely different without Andre Blake. I'm gonna say nobody else.
Don't get me wrong.
Where history completely different. No other individual. Obviously, if you put like 3 or 4 of them together,
of course.
But like I'm gonna say no other individual. Yeah, I'm gonna say where history completely changed. Andre Blake are the only one. We literally alter the course of recent Jamaican football history over the last decade. Which is why he was the only person where Muda got out on a limb.
Man, understand what you say. And I think it could be worse. But to the point where I don't think say we're gonna make the World Cup. No, we still would have been this good. We're not this good. We still would have back Jamaica
for the World Cup.
And I make it to the semi-finals of Nations. You can do all of that. If the one thing changes in the team, Jamal Wait, we still make it to the 3rd and 4th place player. If you ask me, not that me not saying would I make every single save Andre Blake make. I can't go back and just pick games like that.
But that's just one of the.
Would he have saved?
But that's just one of the ridiculous ones. Them when make us.
Would he have
make 2 ratted?
Well, I not say no. Yeah. But with Jamal in goal, could Jamaica play a different way? Could him being more comfortable on the ball give us more opportunities going forward? We don't know. And as a football work. So obviously, a better shot stopper than Andre Blake? No chance. No way, no how. But with Jamal waiting goal, we are worse. But I still think we're good enough for competing at CONCACAF. No, the point is not even about Jamal Wait. The point is, me not think the program need any one player. I'm going to think the program will change dramatically without any one player, including Liam Bailey. No, the level where Liam Bailey can take up, mind you, Liam Bailey can take up the level yet, you know.
No, yeah.
So right now, I talk on promise and potential, same way about a 26-year-old, which is probably I shouldn't be doing. I know you're not the premier career, you should be doing it right now.
You can do it because he's a star.
And I know how good he is. Yeah. I'm going to see how good he is. But just not a seed for the country. For the no. If Liam Bailey, we need him for be. Bro, we are talking about challenging the top 2 for the 2nd place. I think Jamaica, with Liam Bailey being Liam Bailey, being the player who think him can be, being the 2nd best player in CONCACAF, behind Alphonso Davis. And you never know what can happen when Liam Bailey turn 27-28. Liam Bailey can be the best player in CONCACAF, 100%. If Liam Bailey is the best player in CONCACAF, it's a different Jamaica we are talking about. We are talking about a different Jamaica. We are talking about if Liam Bailey go out and do what he do now, in terms of contribution for Aston Villa, for Jamaica, obviously it's a whole different ball game and it don't really work like that. But I mean, and the form. If that form if that form is
About
transposed,
contribution every other game.
bro, if that form is transposed to Jamaica, we are see a different, bro. We are see a different Jamaica, bro. I mean, I even not talk about just the goal contribution. If Liam Bailey is as dangerous as he is at Aston Villa for Jamaica, America have a different challenge for them, man. Mexico have a different challenge for them, man. You get me? I say so. I'm a think them are don't get me wrong. Them are respect Liam Bailey. Them are double him up every time, and them are rare. Him just now be we need him for be. So that's why me want Liam Bailey in the team. I'm hope say this is the last pass Copa America. Because with Liam Bailey and the form that he's on right now, if him continue and play that way for Jamaica, we are talking about a different ball, bro.
And that got to my next question. Based on where we are speculate, say it may be due to the interview why them been so big on them nationalism after this window. How will his integration go? If obviously him decide to come back, because I don't think is whether or not Hargreaves decide to call him back.
Liam Bailey will get called until him come.
Exactly.
He might get called till him come.
So how will the integration go?
Bro, you apologize. You get me? I said the fellas were roughly you try to put them back down. You get me? I said I will keep it moving, bro. The truth is, this is football and we're talking about grown men that understand how the world works. Bro, there are bigger things that happen just in rooms that we don't know about. If I never for the captain's documentary, we wouldn't see the big old war we're going on tunnel with Albert Paul and Ravel Morrison or whoever, DJ, whoever it was. Yeah. You get me? I say like big things happen when man want to fight, man. Yo, you say something for the media way enough to say you come and we have a meeting and Liam Bailey Crosby is the type of man that we're confident enough about himself or can apologize and keep it moving. So yeah, there's a meeting before the first camp back. There's a meeting. Liam Bailey have something more to say, and Liam Bailey have a talk for at least 5-10, bro. Like you need to make have the confidence in you again. But you need sorry and keep it moving. I mean, talk to your players like the leader who need it for be. Apologize where you need to apologize. I mean, I say it's a different player come back. You get me? I say you clear your mind, you never in a good mental space. And you're back. You love your country, so you don't want nobody get that mistaken. As I say, probably not to tell maybe we could have expressed it a bit better than Liam Bailey, but bro, you're a professional. Get the thing right. You get me? I say go and explain yourself. Apologize to your teammates. To the fans now, Liam Bailey make him job 10 times harder. Because you don't never have the Jamaican fans already. And now you have to go win them over times 2.
I ain't not saying enough with them over times 2.
What you say? Nobody argues with a winner. Like?
Just bro.
Just score some goals.
Just score some goals.
And them love you.
That's literally all they have to do. Just score some goals.
Them love us suffer with him when I hate him when him lose.
Bro, I'm
just
saying,
score
bro,
some goals.
As a forward in a football, it's so easy. Yeah. So easy as a forward.
The easiest position.
As a defender, bro, you
have to do much more.
You're in the shits. No matter how good you be, bro. They may not make one mistake and him in the shits for the next 15 good games when play.
Yeah.
Bro, Demar Gray is super silent when he play for Jamaica, and let's not get it twisted, you know?
Yeah.
Demar Gray play like 15 minutes of football for Jamaica every single match, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Them man, they barely play full 92, you know? Let's not get it twisted. Obviously, I'm not saying that a him fault, him not have a midfield back.
A whole heap of things.
You get me? I say, but me I say, when Demar Gray get it, good him get it now, he might go at the goal, and he might make something happen.
It's just so that it's just only that he might get it 3 times.
And then so him get 4 touches and he make something happen with one of the touches them. And him just do nothing for the rest of the game.
Yeah.
And we love Demar Gray, bro. As a forward, all you have to do is just score some goal. Yeah. And it's not for pretty.
Not for pretty.
Just score some goal and nobody will care.
Yeah.
So if Liam Bailey come back.
Yeah, if we know over the fans, it's gonna be easier than if we know over the team.
Yeah.
For sure. With the arguments situation, which are gonna be a big part of Liam Bailey's integration, he's the coach and Liam Bailey's relationship.
Yeah.
Because I can tell you right now, that is not great at the moment. That is not great at the moment. Now, if one man think you tell lie upon him or misrepresent the facts, and then the next man, and then the same man they look for you to make an apology to him, when you can't come in at the public now and say a lie you did that tell at the moment, like it's so weird. You get me? I say it have to be a big conversation. It have to be 2 man just sit down and ash it out.
Or do we see Hargreaves to come out and say, yo, he's right. I did try to call him up 3 days before.
Just that cover a little bit because I never want.
Yeah, I'm just there trying to take yourself for the situation. But Liam Bailey's one of the best players in CONCACAF. I wanted him on my team. I thought better was
I respect it. Is it easy to do? No.
Oh,
Me that respect
could you
it.
do it?
I probably could do it. Unpopular. It would have been the unpopular. It would have been the unpopular way to go. My PR team would have a fit. But then your PR team drop the ball anyways when they make you go do that press conference then and say that.
No. I'll give carry Jamaica got World Cup and Jamaica get points in this World Cup. Yeah. Who cares?
Who cares?
If Jamaica even get one win in the World Cup, who cares?
Mm-hmm.
You get me, I said?
Yep.
If we go World Cup finals again, or God forbid, win the Gold Cup, who cares?
Yeah.
You get me, I said? So, do we need Leon Bailey? No. But they're close to need.
Yeah.
Not need.
You know what?
But it's very important.
The question is not if we need anyone playing. No. It is to do what we want to do. Do we need Liam Bailey? And for sure. For sure. If I think
that we want to do?
Go to the World Cup and compete in the group.
In the
not
group
just bro, to make it to the World Cup with this team and then lose all 3 games, 3 love. Me I'm glad me make it, but I'm disappointed, especially because I'm at least one of the game then.
World Cup
so the goal is to make it to the World Cup and compete. No, that is ambitious from
bro,
people.
This would be a good linchpin though, you know. The scope of America would have been a good linchpin to see how well we could compete in the World Cup.
Pass up the chance to possibly play against Messi.
Yeah.
Vinny
play against Messi already.
Of course he play against. But pass up the chance to come do that. Right now. Vinny, Diaz. This Copa America is nice. Move go far.
I don't think Jamaica can get to play Brazil until the
finals. Possibly. That's what I said. The opportunity.
It's not possible to go to the finals.
You just left that, brother. You mean it's not possible? We not come here and say and take.
Because we come out at the look on the
next video. That's another way I talk about.
Next video.
But my thing is to do what we want to do, or to do what I think Jamaica is capable of doing with Liam Bailey. Do we need Liam Bailey? 100%. To go to the World Cup and compete. I mean, I talk about get 3 points possibly.
Yeah.
And then be respectably in the other groups, in the other games. We need Liam Bailey. We need Andrew Blake. We need Ethan Pinnock. We need Demar Gray.
Every single one of them individually.
No,
we need 11.
No, we don't need Greg Lee. We don't need Greg Lee for do that.
It depends on the team. We are trying to get 3 points.
Amari Bell good enough.
No, if me
at the drop off, we have to think about it.
As me say, if me want somebody to defend my goal, me rather Greg Lee than Amari Bell.
Of course.
Exactly.
But me I say it's not. Who me that pick different from the drop off is what you have to think about. Yeah, you realize me not say, but Shaman, not Shaman, Mikel Antonio. But come and think Mikel Antonio they so far than Shaman Nicholson. Without Mikel Antonio, we're good. Without Shaman, we're good. Cause Mikel, we don't need that is what me I say.
We know by 2026 we'll have Kadamatari.
You dig? Yeah, dog. So that's what me I talk about. To get to where we want to get to, we need Liam Bailey, bro.
Hot take.
We need Liam Bailey.
Roshan Smith from Decided Sports TV said the JFF can't do without Liam Bailey.
No, we can't do. Yeah, it is. We can't do without Liam Bailey to do what we want to do. We can't do it without Liam Bailey. Clip that little part there. Don't put on the. I wish we get to a point that we start get clipped. I wish. Oh, please clip me and send me virus. Anyways, to get to that point, bro, where we're at the World Cup and we are compete. If we do all what the girl them do, which I don't think we can do, because we make it out of the group, right? And go around at 16 and then bounce. I don't think that dip on the cards for right now. But even to have the chance, so we lock up, bro. I will get one of the European team them way. Barely. So we qualify.
But it's about rankings.
And that too, it's impossible for do that.
Bullshit, by the way. Like Canada should have never end up in the group with them, you know. That's so unfortunate. Yeah. That was so unfair. So Canada end up in. It should have
been how you qualify.
Yeah, it should have been seeded based on how you qualify. But unfortunately.
But either way, so we catch a team from bad form, we rank high.
Yeah.
And we get some good thing to go in and we need Belgium, a draw for come out.
Belgium always trash when them go World Cup.
Belgium always weird.
Top 5.
You see it? We catch one of them team that we're so hot right now. Couple injury go our way.
But that happened with the girls team.
Yeah, and then we need a draw now for come out of the group.
And Brazil we deal with look on the teams them in the group. France and Brazil in our group, you know? Because we're one of the lowest ranked teams in there.
So that's what I say. Imagine that happened to we.
So we draw against and then Panama will just take it
to do that. Panama. The female team needed even though she never gonna start, they needed money in that team, bro.
Of course.
They needed Becky Spencer in that goal. We needed that. We needed Alison Swaby. We needed it.
Alison Swaby.
So that's what I say. In order to get to where I think Jamaica should be, we need Liam Bailey, bro. And we need most of this team. Right now, me there 1 point, dog. Yeah, we don't have Liam Bailey, but me I tell you the truth, we have Deshaun Richards, dog. We have Deshaun. Bro, I want you to play some more consistent football. And by the summer come round, I want to see him there. I want to see him represent Jamaica again. I want to see him represent Jamaica at the senior level.
I don't think he might represent Jamaica.
It probably not happen,
in a Copa.
It probably not happen.
Which he shouldn't. He should qualify his team for the World Cup.
But yeah, me that probably pick him for the qualify for the World Cup.
But guess what? Him can play before him go play World Cup qualifiers. Him can play the World Cup qualifiers. Yeah, he can play World Cup qualifiers and World Cup qualifiers and then more World Cup qualifiers. And then be a World Cup qualifier.
You see me? But me I look forward to seeing Whisper play some football for Jamaica.
I said high hopes.
No, higher hopes. Cause me I look upon it, bro, and I think about it in a car. They're special, you know. Like to a level we never see before. Out of Jamaica. Me say it before, probably we never say it pan a show about that of you. But Liam Whisper ceiling higher than Liam Bailey ceiling.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Me think that 100%. Me think him have the personality and the confidence.
Not only by the man there at Chelsea.
Yes, me not dwell upon it. Me just mention it to the people and come and say it already. Yeah. Everybody's supposed to agree with that. Yeah. I feel like him have the confidence where him need for have with the talent where him have. I feel like if Whisper was a youth, the way him game is, I don't know if the message personality would have worked for him. I think you need to have a level of confidence and subtle arrogance for get the most out of the type of talent where him have. I honestly believe so. The type of the flashy player, the powerful, I need if I think you can run through a wall. I think Whisper have that. I think Whisper not see a player where him can't beat. I honestly see it for it. I just think say if I have that 19, if I have Whisper at 19 in the team, I play some first team football. If I have Whisper, them are great. Liam Bailey, Shema Nicholson, all of them on the farm, bro. Bobby Reed. Mikel Antonio as the veteran of the bench same way right now. I think Boyz are number one. And Mikel Antonio the backup. Mikel Antonio, we can't rely upon him. So now, you see me, and in my age, and I not see him for Jamaica. Like last Gold Cup, him never look right to me. I never like the way I play, and him never looks super special.
Last Gold Cup, the man is very impactful.
No, he did impactful. He did impactful.
It's really important.
But last Gold Cup first is where me know Boyz do. Me I pick Boyz. And me want Shemanicals as the supporter of the bench. Or in a certain game to play both of them. They get me I say, but Boyz are my number one striker right now. You know, it's the QB1, Boyz are the 9. I just that's a me there right now. So all of them play there give me so much optimism. I'm there at 1 point now where making it to the World Cup is a sure lock. Sure lock.
I'm not at that point.
Bro, when you see from them, man, if you not change it, dog.
I'm not at that point.
If you not change it, without the World Cup qualifying state.
The thing about it is, in a World Cup qualifying, in the final round,
even if we get Panama or Costa Rica,
that's the thing.
We
might get a Panama or Costa Rica, and only one of them teams there go through. And
you're not back up to do that.
Jamaica can shit the bed.
But we can shit the bed anytime. At Jamaica this. But me I say, the way you see the team are playing now.
I mean, as in obviously, if me a gamble, so I don't think it's a luck. I'm not 100% convinced that we're gonna definitively get one of them 3 spots. Yeah. I'm not so sure yet.
Me see it. But I think 3 more spots there.
Based on how we play now.
I think 3 more spots there for grabs and Jamaica.
3 more spots. It's supposed to be Panama, Costa Rica, and Jamaica. That's supposed to be the 3.
But who say one of them not shit they better end up in a group with each other? Me think based on the group we have, there's no way we end up in a group with them. That's how me see it. And if we end up in a group with them, that means that them now do what them supposed to do. Yeah. Which means that me about them for B2 anyways. Because me I look on Jamaica get maximum points out of this group. That's just me. People only can disagree for the one. Me not see Jamaica drop points in that group. So we are going to be a seeded team in the next round. If Panama or Costa Rica end up in a seeded team group, that means them not that good. We can beat them.
And then now you have the teams which them not giving a much problem in a recent times like the Hondurases and then Trinidad are the way them supposed to.
Maybe Suriname will pop up.
Yeah.
You have little teams who are gonna pop up, but me as I say with how we are playing right now, and the talent we have and building pan it and the trust we have in our games.
No, I'm not back with teams.
I see how we will make it.
I
not see how we will make it. There's always a way, but
no, me not be tongue and cheek on myself. I mean, me see a world where we end up in a group with Honduras, Panama, Costa Rica.
I'm gonna tell you all the way we see that.
And shit the bed.
I'm gonna tell you all the way we see that. If I trouble in the camp,
If we beat ourselves.
Yeah. I don't think we go out on them team beat
I don't think we are gonna be out coached by them teams either.
Because as I say, that team, that group I will have. That group I will have.
I think we're gonna play 4 games.
In order for one of them teams.
We're gonna win 12 games.
In order for one of them
there's no way. It's like what you say. There's no way we drop any points in this group.
Which means
we might drop points against Guatemala. As a possibility. We might draw with Guatemala. But we're gonna finish that group first.
We are gonna be the top of the group.
Yeah.
So even if we lose, I wanna get maximum points. You're confident to say we're the top of the group.
We're gonna top that.
No, what that means? Next round now.
That means that the next round we're gonna
confident the odds of facing Panama or Costa Rica
low, but
if them shit the bed, you have to wait for you shit the bed. No, it's a case of them shit the bed. Can you think we're gonna shit the bed?
Anybody can shit the bed.
No, but you say you don't think we're gonna shit the bed.
Yeah, so me I say one of them can end up in our zone. You get me?
Them can shit the bed.
Or it can be a Honduras. That are the thing, bro. That are the thing. You assume say Panama, Costa Rica, and Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
But then now, one of them group that have Honduras in it.
Mm-hmm, of course.
You get me? I say?
Mm-hmm.
I know if that group is us who have Honduras in it, one of them group that have Haiti in it.
Mm-hmm.
You get me? I say? We might end up have Haiti. And then one of them group that have say maybe a
none of that makes me less confident.
I see a world where we end up in a group with maybe a Panama, maybe a Costa Rica, but possibly a Haiti or a Honduras. I see a world where, because me know Jamaica stay, we don't.
Things are changing. That's the only reason why I say that. Bro, if we had talked about Jamaica 2 years ago, there's no way me not be this confident.
Me have to see it.
I see the Gold Cup, I see spots, I see that. First of all, I no arguments I want to play that high person. I'm sure right. I'm just not thinking of the players to do it. Because I see him do it in a Gold Cup and then have a pull back because he just now go right. See spots, you see me? Go with Damian Lowe now. Him pick him do it more all out in the US game. And the Panama game, I think he need to do it that much, but him pick him spots. I know him want to play that way there. I know arguments are flexible. Why? Tactically.
Yeah.
You get me? I say?
That's good.
So I know him can coach. Like I see enough to know arguments he can coach. I know the players they're on the same page. I know everybody want to make it to the World Cup. So everybody are pushing in the same direction. Nobody now go against the team.
Bro, you know what me tired to say?
Mm-hmm.
I'm tired to see a team like Italy in a swoop group in a UEFA and still not qualify for the World Cup. You get me? I say? So obviously right now as it stands with what we have, what we were supposed to, and I'm confident we'll make it to the World Cup, but I'm not to the point where I'm gonna say a word.
Put your hose on it.
Probably not my house, but I put my car.
If the ad makers come out and them stink it up, and ad makers say 2,500 to 1 or some madness, where are you?
2,500
to 1. Yeah, that means yeah, that's not good odds. That are 2,500 to 1. So for every 2,500 times, Jamaica go make it to the World Cup once. Yeah, may I put my house on it? How was the husband? First of all, I have a husband, nothing.
No.
That's the first thing. I have a husband, nothing. But me I say if them stink up the odds in Vegas, you know put some loot on it.
But we're gonna have high odds.
No, bro.
So put some loot on it then.
No,
you know, man. If them stink up, the odds are gonna be super high.
No, yeah.
That
will make it to the World Cup. It's gonna be in our favor. So I am saying, no, I'm not a gambler. But me I say if it push me to the point now,
bro, the odds are gonna be high.
I know. I'm saying if the odds are low, that's the point I make. If the odds low and them say we make it.
Oh no, that not got.
I know.
That's what
but if the odds makers do that and say 2,500 to 1 is what me I say. If them come and say that, say Jamaica make it. If you give them 25, or if you get 25, they make 1. Me I put everything me up on it. Come on, dog.
I think me that make a big gamble.
What?
Not everything, but me that make a
not everything.
Me that make a massive gamble.
Me that make a food.
But myself, if them did give like them gonna give Jamaica like 5 to 2 odds.
Yeah, we get really good odds.
Like how you're so confident, that's when you make a big gamble on it. So even if you get like a 20, even if you get like a 10% return for your money, a whole heap of money on the 10%. That's how when you know, so you're sure. That's why. That's what I think they are trying to say. But even we get low.
No, are you? Me not talk for me, no. Me I say for you, cause me I try to get you to say how confident you be.
No, if them give me some
you're so confident that you know say you're crazy, them crazy.
Like 20 to 1 or some weird. Bro, Me borrow some money
First of all,
and
I'm
gamble.
offended. That's the first
Yeah, me
thing.
borrow some money like borrow $1 million from the bank or something.
I show you
I
that.
just take time pay it back, if anything.
Yeah, we have really good chance to do that. Do we need Liam Bailey? I don't think we do that. Obviously, me
But
less
if you
confident.
so confident what you for do,
I don't gamble, bro. I just trying to make a point.
Like a 500 grand, when you get like the 5-2 odds, still put the 500 grand
Who
on if you
knows?
get a little return.
No, I'm not a gambler. The Lord isn't pleased with that.
Judge.
I rebuke it in the name. You see me? Anyways. Oh, we are going to find out. How long, what else you want to attack? First of all, people, more hearing to say.
You will not have to force it. Why?
More hearing to say if Jamaica need Liam Bailey or not. We need to know that in the comment section in our live chat. Because chances are we are watching. Let me know. We need Liam Bailey. National team can do without Liam Bailey. Are we better off?
You have to just compartmentalize. So, like how we are come to an end.
Don't set up with people, them, bro. Don't make it no simpler. Don't make it no simpler. We need Liam Bailey or not. Make them go up on them rant, bro. Why I try dumb it down to everybody say yeah?
We not dumb it down.
I know.
Me just go say yo, bro. Make me journalist.
Land.
Make me journalist.
Land no dog.
All right.
So, go journalism.
Yeah, make me journalism. So, is the team better without Liam Bailey? Absolutely. Can the team be successful without Liam Bailey? Also, absolutely. But then again, define success. Is going
to that, man. Just allow the people them the dog. Just leave them alone the dog. Liam Bailey we need Liam Bailey or not. Make them go up on the two. Make Sayana run out, bro.
So alright, so what you need for the Sayana run out, I say, yo, we need Liam Bailey.
How long
you don't say that already. Anyways, I believe that the only player that Jamaica needs right now absolutely is Andre Blake. Had it not been for Andre Blake, history would have been totally different, and he's the only player in the national team where we can say that about.
Can't fight it.
That's my final thought.
Fight it still, but can't fight it. We get the point. People. If you've made it this far, obviously you like the video, so I need you to like the video. Like actually click the button, like the video. Leave a comment and subscribe to this or that Sports TV, and do one more thing for us to do. Share
the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that'll get us by the end of the day, people.
Yes. But for now, this was this or that Sports TV.
God, my God.
We out. Reggae boys. Yeah.